Let's get you all the big updates coming in from Battleground Bengal. TMC is now alleging that BJP supporters had received coupons worth 1,000 rupees to attend Prime Minister Narendra Modi's rally on April 1st. That was in South 24 Parganas district. Now the TMC is claiming that the coupon has Prime Minister Modi's image and is an appeal to vote for the Saffron Party. They've demanded now that the Election Commission act on this issue.
Money coupons have replaced hard cash in Bengal polls, if the TMC is to be believed. The TMC claims the BJP distributed coupons worth 1,000 rupees each to locals at Redigi in the South 24 Parganas. It says the coupon was an inducement to attend PM Modi's rally there on 1st April.
কালকে শুনেছি রায়দিঘিতে একটা করে কুপন দিয়েছে 1000 টাকা করে পাবে ভোট দিলে ওদের বলুন 15 লক্ষ টাকা করে যে দেবে বলেছিলে আগে 15 লক্ষ টাকার হিসাব দাও তারপরে 1000 টাকা দিও ওটা তো আমার টাকা যতক্ষণ 15 লক্ষ টাকা না হবে তোমাকে টাকা দিতে হবে কিন্তু টাকা দিয়ে ভোট দেবেন না
As Mamta was pulled up by the Election Commission on Wednesday, TMC MP Mahua Moitra asked if the poll panel would also look into the complaints made against the BJP. The BJP rubbished the TMC's cash coupon claims.
The Prime Minister openly asked the people that this is the allegation against you, that you have come here for money. Is it right? Everybody was angry there. And they are ready to reply through the ballot. This is an insult to the people of Bengal. This is a fit case for an inquiry.
যে একটা কুপন বিলিকে কেন্দ্র করে বলে যে অভিযোগ ছিল এই কুপনটা হলো আমাদের নরেন্দ্র মোদী মিটিংয়ে যাওয়ার কুপন যে কুপনটা আমরা ওই জয়নগরে নরেন্দ্র মিটিংয়ে যাওয়ার জন্য গাড়ি ভাড়ার জন্য কুপন দিয়েছিলাম এবং এই কুপনটা হলো আপনার ওই পগ মিল স্টেডিয়ামে যে ভ্যান ভাড়ার কুপন তা ভারতীয় জনতা পার্টিটা এমন একটি পার্টি এই পার্টিটা কোনো ব্যক্তিকে টাকা দিয়ে এই পার্টি কিনতে হয় না সাধারণ লোক স্বেচ্ছায় এই পার্টিটা করে
Parties handing out cash to lure voters is the worst kept secret in Indian elections. But coupons to be exchanged for money is a new tactic. But first the TMC will have to prove its claim.
Allegations are flying thick and fast between the BJP and TMC over the cash for coupon issue. But the BJP denies the allegations, saying that the Saffron Party can never resort to such means. With camera person Raktam Das, Prema Rajaram in Kolkata for India Today.
And Prema Rajaram, who filed that report for us, is joining us live from Kolkata. Prema, good morning. The TMC, as proof, has also brought pictures of these coupons that they say was distributed during the Prime Minister's rally. Has the Election Commission taken note of this issue yet?
The Election Commission has not really taken note of this issue, but these are allegations made by the Trinamool Congress that the coupons were distributed to people ahead of Prime Minister Modi's rally on April 1st and also were asking people not just to be part of the rally but also to vote for the BJP, and in turn they would allegedly get 1,000 rupees, though the BJP has rubbished these claims, saying that these were coupons meant for people who were ferrying others to the venue. So basically for the vans or for the cars that were ferrying people there. And this is what the BJP has to say. But the BJP supporters, but as far as the BJP leaders say that these coupons are something they don't know about and that it is the agencies that are hired by the Trinamool Congress who might know more about this. So BJP on their part are washing their hands of the entire issue, but Trinamool Congress maintains that the Election Commission must look into the issue. They have approached the Election Commission saying they should look into it. Back to you.
All right, Prema, thank you very much for joining us with those details.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.